Và tôi rất ấn tượng về cái việc là tạo ra được tiền từ không khí. Bạn chỉ cần có chiến lược và có kế hoạch làm việc, và bạn phải có kỷ luật. Đó chính là điều mà mọi người đều thiếu, cái đó tính kỷ luật. Tại vì bạn có cảm xúc về cái, bạn phải có cái kỷ luật rất là mạnh mẽ trong cái việc giao dịch để đảm bảo là bạn sẽ phải chốt lời ở cái điểm mà bạn đã cài đặt. Và sau vài vòng học hành giao dịch, tôi bắt đầu nghĩ về tại sao tôi không học thêm. Đó chính là cái giao dịch tự động. Thì có một cái nền tảng gọi là MetaTrader, và nó có cái hệ thống là EA. Thì cái EA này thì bạn có thể tạo ra cái sự tự động từ cái chiến lược của bạn. Đó là lý do vì sao tôi bắt đầu xây dựng cái chiến lược trở thành một con robot.
Later I will explain to you what is the difference between all these MetaTraders brokerage account and Binance account. Okay, so I have many robots, but today I
Tôi có
want
rất
to
nhiều con robot, nhưng mà hôm nay tôi sẽ chia sẻ với bạn rằng cái việc quan trọng của cái việc giao dịch.
During the Master of Wealth, Dr. Clement is the expert in trading stock, okay, in stock, US stock. So why should you learn trading?
Vì sao bạn nên học giao dịch? Đó, điều này rất quan trọng. Đầu tiên, bạn bỏ tiền vào ngân hàng, bạn bỏ tiền vào bảo hiểm cho cái việc học tương lai của con cái bạn, hay cho kế hoạch tương lai, hoặc là cho cái việc y tế. Bạn bỏ tiền vào gửi tiền để có được lãi. Nhưng mà ngân hàng sẽ làm gì với tiền của bạn ạ? Bạn có thể trả lời tôi ạ. Ngân hàng sẽ làm gì với tiền của bạn ạ? Họ sẽ bỏ dưới giường và tiền nó sẽ phát triển hay không? Vâng, đúng rồi, họ sẽ giao dịch, hoặc là như Đương Vui bạn nói là họ sẽ đầu tư lại, cũng là một loại giao dịch. Họ có thể giao dịch forex, giao dịch stock. Tất nhiên là họ phải làm cho cái tiền nó phát tăng trưởng lên. Có người nói là cái việc giao dịch thì không tốt, tại vì khi bạn muốn là có lợi nhuận, và khi bạn có lợi nhuận thì ai đó sẽ bị mất tiền. Bạn có nghe câu nói cái trường hợp như vậy chưa? Tôi luôn đối mặt với những câu hỏi như vậy khi mà tôi đối mặt câu hỏi như vậy trong các hội nghị của tôi. Tôi rất sợ giao dịch, tại vì khi mà tôi có lợi nhuận thì có nghĩa là ai đó sẽ mất tiền. Cái điều đó là không đúng đâu. Tại vì khi mà bạn có lợi nhuận không có nghĩa là có người sẽ bị lỗ.
Which someone want to buy at the price, someone want to sell at the price. But I don't know if when they want to buy is buying at, they want to buy for starting investment, and when they sell, are they making a profit, which I don't know. But that is the view of someone want to buy at the price and someone to sell at the price. So
trong giao dịch tí thì phải có người muốn mua ở cái giá đó và có người muốn bán ở giá đó. Và những cái giao dịch đó nó sẽ đặt trên một cái cuốn sách gọi là order, cuốn sách đặt hàng. Có nghĩa là ví dụ như bạn muốn mua và có người muốn bán tại một cái giá đó, sẵn sàng bán giá đó. Có nghĩa là khi mà bạn mua thấp ấy, thì không có nghĩa là bạn sẽ mua ở cái giá mà người nào đó sẽ bị lỗ.
When your position grow to a certain profit already, you're thinking of sell. Okay, you are taking a profit. You're taking your profit by making a sell. When you do a sell, meaning that someone willing to buy at your position only.
Khi bán thì có nghĩa là sẽ có người sẵn sàng muốn mua ở cái vị trí đó.
So, meaning that someone think that your selling position is the one which they want to enter. So, ladies and gentlemen, the first misunderstanding about trading is when you make profit, that means someone are
making cái việc hiểu lầm về việc cái giao dịch đấy, cái hiểu sai đó chính là khi bạn tạo lợi nhuận thì có ai đó sẽ bị lỗ. Cái điều đó là sai nha bạn. Đây cái rào cản đầu tiên trong cái việc giao dịch. Tại vì có nhiều người nghĩ giao dịch thì là không tốt.
Crowded short solo is evil. Okay, but anyway, I feel that way also. Okay, at the back of what he do lah, but not on trading. Okay, because he is part of the what they call the hidden government. Okay, okay. So this is another story. Okay, back on track. Okay, so trading is evil. Okay, it's part solved already. Now we try to settle the second thing.
Cái việc thứ hai là giao dịch thì rất là khó để học. Thật ra cái việc giao dịch thì nó rất là đơn giản, chỉ là việc mua và bán.
They even can help Japanese bank, the Central Bank of Japan. Okay, when Central Bank of Japan saying that I want to push Japanese yen down, actually the most people who are helping the Japanese Central Bank is the married ladies who are in trading. Okay, so Japanese ladies traders are very, very good in trading. Okay, so they are making a lot of side income through trading as well. So don't be surprised. Okay, you won't be surprised. Trading really can make money. Okay, trading can make money. The only thing which you need to learn is to create a system. Okay,
bạn cần học là bạn phải cần tạo ra một cái hệ thống. Tại vì có rất nhiều cái hệ thống giống như là ngắn hạn hay rất ngắn hạn hay là trung hạn hay dài hạn. Và tất nhiên nếu như mà cái thời gian càng ngắn thì bạn cần phải chú ý nhiều hơn. Nó có thể là một tuần, một tháng. Nếu bạn muốn xác định và cái chiến lược giao dịch nào bạn muốn học thì bạn đừng học một cái chiến lược. They learn a strategy supposed to be weekly, but they play in hourly. Okay, those strategies supposed to be played in minute chart. Okay, that means a micro, ultra short term. Okay, that means you maybe you come in at this hour, then the next hour you get out already. This is called scalping. So the scalping strategy you cannot apply into long term. So putting the wrong strategy at the wrong timing also will cause you in trouble. So that's why you have to find a right timing, right strategy. Cần tìm cái thời điểm đúng và cái chiến lược đúng. Bạn chỉ cần 1-2 cái kỹ năng cần thiết và bạn có thể là làm tốt trong cái việc giao dịch. Và giao dịch là một cách mà để bạn chuyển cái tài sản offline của mình.
Digital payment as called online. Digital payment still considered offline. Okay, because digital payment, once the system shut down, your digital payment all gone already. So what I mean, you trading is the way for you to create income from offline.
Giao dịch là một cách để bạn tạo ra cái nguồn thu nhập từ offline trở thành online.
You're in trading, so you must find a way to make money. Either you want to buy stock, so you have to learn a bit more about stock. Okay, then you go for Dr. Clement Chang. Strongly recommend. Okay, myself also Dr. Clement Chang student. So strongly recommend you, if let's say you want to go to stock, then you have to learn.
Nếu bạn muốn giao dịch về stock hay thì bạn phải hiểu về stock, hay bạn muốn giao dịch về forex thì bạn phải hiểu về forex.
Not only on the charting, but you start to learn some fundamental. Okay, because some fundamental will move some fundamental change will move the market. So you must understand some of the fundamental. This is a learning process. But overall, there is two types of trader. Technical trader means you look at the chart, then you trade, or fundamental trader means you are a bit longer term, but you just based on the fundamental, then you move your position. So anyway, I love to share with you my 20 plus years of experience in trading. It's a very valuable process. I lost a lot of money and I make a lot of passive income, because after that, some of my buddies are like Daniel. He loves to sit in front of the computer and terminal, okay, from day to night to trade. Okay, for me, I don't like. Okay, I don't like to stay in front of terminal too long. Okay, so that's why I start to work out this automation, convert the strategy into automated. So my buddy Daniel will start to do a lot of research. He go to read up a lot of articles and then test this, test that. And then after he do all this combination, then he tell me, hey, Joseph, try this. Then I will start to do testing. Write the script, do the testing, and then we find a very important thing called probability. Okay, winning rate. Okay, in simple terms, it's called winning rate. So you find a right strategy, and to find a winning rate, nothing is forever win one. Okay, only how you handle loss is most important in trading. Okay, things like sounds more and more complicated, but actually it's very simple. Okay, just make money, or you want to escape out of the loss. Okay, so that is called, because you stop loss. Okay, so, or you start to do repairing. Okay, when you make a wrong decision, you start to repair it. Okay, so all these things will be automated. Wow, how grateful. Everything can be automated. So that is how we work about. Okay, for this past 20 years, we've been very passionate into this trading, and we consider, like Daniel, myself, Andrew, and some like Isaac and Gavin. Okay, we are already in tradings, and we continue.
Tôi, Isaac và Gavin, chúng tôi đã trong giao dịch đã hơn 20 năm rồi.
You are already fully expert. Every day there is a new thing. Okay, so that's why we continue learn.
Nhưng mà mỗi ngày đều có cái thứ mới, nên chúng tôi cần phải tiếp tục học. Để chúng tôi tiếp tục học thêm những điều mới.
We are not only talk, okay? We actually earning our lifetime income from trading. So like
chúng tôi không chỉ nói, nhưng mà thật ra tôi kiếm được cái lợi nhuận qua cái việc giao dịch.
Okay. Then if I manage to duplicate this robot into multiple accounts, it works on indexes, it works on crypto, it works on forex, it works on stock. Okay. if it work on CFD, then each of these assets consider one passive income, meaning there is multiple passive income. So this is so great when you can using ideas, using the automation, online automation to create multiple source of passive income. Okay, so this is how good. Okay, if let's say you can learn trading, then afterward you convert it into the automation and create multiple source of passive income. So then after that, we continue learning, we continue creating.
Tôi tiếp tục học tập. Nhưng mà khi tôi biết về cái tiền điện tử, đó là một điều rất là lớn. Đó là một cái thứ mà giúp chúng ta có thể chuyển đổi cái sự giàu có online.
That is still not considered fully online. It's just that I can make money online, but the money is not online. The money is still offline. It's still considered called fiat. It's still fiat money. Okay, it's still fiat money. So what if suddenly bank block my account? All this money cannot come in. You will always see this type of news written from the newspaper saying that someone make money from the forex and try to send back to your country, then end up they got blocked and then they got banned by their central bank. Okay, this happened to my friend. A lot of my friends who are traders, they face this problem. They make quite a lot of money, then they start to transfer in back. Then they have been blocked by the government, and then the government invite them to go to their office to drink coffee. Okay, so yeah, the bank is getting more and more serious about all these overseas trading fund and things. So how to overcome this? Okay, how to overcome this is crypto. Okay, so that's why when I know that there's a crypto exchange, during the time the Mongols, during Mongols time, I already start applying my crypto account. But the problem is Mongols didn't approve my account, so end up I didn't buy any crypto from Mongols. Okay, that is the only account which I think I only can trust. But end up it blew up. Okay, it blew up. So during the time, I've been looking for a right brokers to trade. And during Binance startup, okay, but Binance startup in Shanghai during the time, and they blocked Malaysian. Okay, during the time they blocked Malaysian. Okay, but after that, when Binance been asked to leave China, then that is where they allow some other country to join in. Wow, that is a blessing. I start to have my Binance account. Then I start to study their back end. You know, when we need to do automation in all these exchange, okay, no longer call EA. There's not many library available for you to copy already. Last time I can do EA is because I can copy a lot of other people's work on the net, because it's already well available all around the world. Okay, then you just can copy and paste, do modification. You just need to know how to do modification. You do not need to know how to do coding. You need to know how to do modify. Okay, don't know, then if you don't know, then you ask someone to help you. Okay, so that is what how I learned my EA. But when you talk about software development kit, okay, when you talk about API, wow, that is something which I really done. I really cannot. Okay, that is very serious programming already. So that's why very few of you can find robot run on crypto. Okay, there is many, but still consider lesser than EA. Okay, lesser than EA, because they need a separate coding, separate language. Okay, and separate knowledge. Okay, separate knowledge, and you hardly get any libraries at that time. Now in Binance we quite easily available. Okay, but if let's say now I want to move to some other exchange, I need to do recoding again. That means if let's say today I want to duplicate this robot into Bybit, into KuCoin, okay, I have to rewrite the whole code again, because they give different type of API, different type of SDK. What is SDK? Is software developer kit. Okay, so So that's why that is totally out of my cup of tea already. So what I do, okay, I alliance, okay, I work up with my team, okay. So I force my team to learn. Okay, you better go to learn this first, okay. Then after 1 year, you know, I asked him to learn 1 year now. Okay, then we try to do a lot of try and error, okay. Then after that, now he's expert. He totally don't know, but I push him to learn. Okay, my team member. Then yep. That's why now both of us learning. Okay, because he's a programmer, I'm not. He learn faster. And then for me, I'm more into strategy conversion. And then he work more on the coding side. And then basically from me also understand some basic about coding, so we will be able to work out the robot more easier. Okay, so this is how the process of how I go through the whole understanding. Then why crypto? When we are trading on crypto, meaning that the coin is totally separate out from the fiat system. So meaning that this coin, when I trade, either I put in the exchange or I bring it back to my wallet. I can always mobilize this wallet to everywhere around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, today, if let's say you have 10 million, okay, already you are, all of us are here, okay, I'm a millionaire, okay, millionaire. There's about 100 of us up here. So let's say 100 of us here, all millionaire. We have 10 million inside cash in your house. But today, you really need to leave the country immediately. Okay, are you able to move this 10 million US dollar, okay, US dollar, okay, out from your country immediately? No, right? Okay, you can't. Even if you want to move 10,000 out from 10,000 equivalent of ringgit Malaysia, 10,000 equivalent of US dollar out from Malaysia, you still have to declare from the custom. 10,000 you already have to declare. You have more than that, they might ask you not to fly. You first explain where this money come from. Give them a proof, okay? Don't talk about 10 million, okay? If you bring a 10 million cash, do you think that you can go through custom easily? No, unless you fly your own private jet or you have some political background, okay? Or else, as a normal people, so sorry, okay? That 10 million not belongs to you anymore, okay? If confiscated by the custom, it all belongs to the government. But what if I have 10 million equivalent of Bitcoin in my wallet? I just need to do it. I just need to put it into this, okay? My nano ledger. I just need to put them into my nano ledger, my Tetzo or wherever wallet. Go through custom happily. No one will scan me. Then I can move this fund into, if let's say I'm going to UK, I can move to UK, and in UK I can cash out anytime. If I go to Nigeria, I can cash out anytime, any places. You can move your whole wealth with you just with a small offline wallet, okay, a physical wallet. So this is the best part, okay? This is the best part of the cryptocurrency, especially you convert your wealth from off-chain to on-chain, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, here's how I get so passionate into create robots. Converting robot my strategies into crypto is so hard, okay? Not easy, because like I had mentioned, it's need to be rewrite everything again. A moving average code, not easily available. You have to rewrite all the code, okay? So end up, this is what I did, okay? This is what I did. I'm still continuing developing, okay? Converting, developing, okay? Testing. This is what my profession is, okay? My profession is. So I'm not professional speaker, okay? You know, when you meet me on stage live, I can't present well, okay? That is why Richard coached me during COVID time, okay? I know I'm not a good speaker, So that's why Richard tried to point out, okay, tell me what to, when you on stage, what you need to do, what. And then he asked me to present in front of him during the time COVID when he cannot fly, I cannot fly. Okay, so he teach me. We meet up every day. Okay, we meet up every day 8 o'clock when market start. You know, 8 o'clock, that is the time called Greenwich time. Okay, 0. So when Greenwich time 0, our Binance account start to change from the day chart, from one bar change to another bar. Okay. So that is where 8 o'clock, every 8 o'clock we start to see the market. Then sometimes after lunch 2 o'clock we will meet up again. Then I have to submit my homework. Okay, Richard will coach me. Then I have to submit my homework. Then nighttime 10:30 we will do a conclusion, and then we will do some ideas brainstorming. So besides Richard coached me, then I also share with Richard about trading. Okay, during that time Richard very passionate in trading. So after Richard learned about the trading, go through a lot of learning process, we all learn from each other. So Richard asked me to create a robot for high net worth group. Okay, please remember, all of us want to become millionaire, right? You want to meet, who wants to be a millionaire? Everyone, okay? But to be more precise, we want to be high net worth group, okay? High net worth. High net worth, first of all, before you become high net worth, you become a net worth people. Mean positive net worth. 正资产 in Mandarin called 正资产，不要成为负资产。Don't become a negative net worth. Negative net worth means what? You might be owning a Lamborghini. You might be living in a bungalow. But end up, if today you got liquidated, you are going to jail because you are zero negative. You are negative. Okay, negative doesn't mean you go to jail. Okay, okay. That means you are actually poor, broke. Okay, you are poor, you are broke, but you are positive net worth mean even though you are driving a Mercedes or you are driving a Ferrari, you are living in a bungalow, if you got liquidated, you are still not broke. You still got money, meaning that your assets are not debt based. Okay, are not debt based. Many of people looks rich, but they are not really rich. But all Richardson's friends are high net worth group people. Okay, some of them introduced in our Master of Wealth. Okay, all his neighbor. Okay, all his neighbor are very rich. Okay, in Singapore you are very hard to stay in a landed house. Let me tell you, Richard stay in a landed house. Okay, okay. So that's why Richard say, why not you create something for the high net worth group of people? So what's the difference between normal people and high net worth people? What's the difference? For people like us, you can't differentiate. Normal people and high net worth, are they look the same? Yes, of course they look the same, human. Okay, but are they thinking the same? Yeah, this is what I want to differentiate. Okay, a few points between high net worth and normal people. A quick example. Some of you, after today, okay, Joseph share about trading. When you start to type a keyword trading, okay, or forex or investing, okay, inside your Google, okay, or YouTube, you will sure receive a lot of advertisement from your Facebook, okay, about some of the trading guru lah, okay, or some of the investment plan lah, showing you something like this, okay. I make 500% today, okay, or I make 10% today, 10% or 10% is still okay, 10% in one day, okay. Ask me how, okay. All this advertisement will pop up in your Facebook. Okay, so you get excited. Wow, 10% a day. So if I run this program 10% a day, then 365 days, then I will have 36x already, 3,600%. Okay, then you are putting yourself into the trap. Okay, of false information. Okay, so normal people will get excited by all these so-called high percentage per day or per month. 1 month, I make 30% a month. Okay, okay. So this is normal people. But what high net worth people do? High net worth people, they will also put their money into investment plan. They know that if let's say they don't invest, their money will depreciate. So the first is, what is the inflation rate? Okay, they first will always look at the inflation rate. They have their standard inflation rate now. Okay, if let's say these high net worth people always eat wonton mee now, okay, 2 years ago eat wonton mee is about 8 ringgit. Now it's almost 10 ringgit. That means inflation rate is 20%. Okay, so for him, his inflation is 20%. Okay, he's experienced 20%. So, like, let's quote example. If let's say this high net worth people is putting in the inflation in Malaysia, inflation rate is a bit low. Okay, because mostly of our major commodity are controlled, and we are the oil production country. That's why oil price increase doesn't much increase our inflation rate. We are very blessed in Malaysia. Okay, but in China will be a bit hard. Okay, China is pure oil consumption. Any price of the oil move, China will firstly get affected. Okay, immediately in a split of second, the price increase. So that's why, if you are high net worth people, they always look at firstly how much your fuel price, how much is they always look at the key point is called CPI. Okay, so to understand about what is CPI, please come to KIionM okay, Monday. Okay, I will talk about that more detail. Okay. Because CPI is a very important point to understand about the inflation rate. Okay, back to, so as long as you are able to create the wealth more than the inflation, that is what is their standard. A bit more is okay already. Okay, because they don't want you to, second thing, risk their fund. Okay, risk their fund. So how those people can make 8%, 9% per day? Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. I did that every time with my GA robot. A quick example. Okay, I trade Forex. I put a robot inside this MetaTrader, trend robot, or sideway robot, okay, whatever. This is what I always play, and together with Daniel and Andrew, we just fund in 50 US dollar. Sometimes Daniel even fund in 10 US dollar only. Okay, 10 or 50. Okay, then we will trade this account as 1,000 funded. Okay, 1,000 funded, and we play the lot size. They say this is something like a gambling. Okay, it's a gamble. Okay, how we gamble? You buy this trade, you enter this trade. It's either up or down. It's simple. Okay, either up or either down. Okay, we try to find a best timing to go in. Something like a US stock market open, or some of the data release, which like GDP, like CPI, like non-farm payroll. During the time high volatility, it's very easy for you to catch a sudden spike trend. You either 50% win or 50% loss. So let's say now I put 50 US dollar into the funded account. I play 1,000 lot. That means I play one. I think can. Okay, I play 0.1 now. Okay, 0.1 lot, and then we buy up, and then the market go up. That day Dow Jones up 500 points. I make if Dow Jones up 500 points, I write at the time I in and I get up at the end of the trading day, I get 5,000 points, 5,000 pip, you know. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, 5,000 pip out of $50, my account might become how many? 200, 300. Okay, I might be able to capture 200-300 profit out of 50. Sometimes we are able to make 1,000x in a day. But can this sustain? The most important, can this sustain? This is some sort like a gambling trade. It's done by my robot, okay? Can be done by my robot, but it's a gambling trade. So lately there is someone text me, Joseph, your diamond mine a bit slow. I see a lot of guru every day they give me 8%, 10%, but your diamond mine only make so little bit. Okay, so can we have that type of excitement? So do you know that this excitement will cause you blow your account? If you are wrong, my $50 all gone. Okay, this is gambling. Okay, but what the people will show you, they show you the winning side. They don't show you the losing side. Understand or not? Okay, when you see all this advertisement on, the most important is what? All this robot must be fully tested and back tested. Okay, back tested. Many of you, after today, you heard me saying, then you go to the market and to find the keyword called EA, okay, expert advisor. Suddenly, a lot of people pop you up and telling, hey, buy this, I'm making 2,000 a month, okay, 2,000 a month. Okay, mostly, if let's say you want to go in, go ahead. Okay, this is a learning process. Buy it.